At me getting cut off then. Well, it says that basically Putin's going into what looks like could be the new Cold War, because he can't stand the fact that he can't push the rest of the world around, and he's shown this isn't the first time that he's tried to kill people, as in the 90s he killed another ex-spy called Yekhenko, and he actually didn't survive. That this young girl has, thank goodness, and it's about time he was stopped. Anyway, leave a comment below, like, subscribe, push notification, and share it. Till my next video, which will be another one in my playlist. Check those out as well. Till the next time, bye.